This lesson is going to be an additional lesson on pages, and it's going to just quickly run through if you don't want this standard WordPress site where you've got all of your content, all of your posts coming up on your first page. It's going to kind of go towards what we had talked about earlier, where you can customize in your settings. So I'm going to go ahead and add a brand new page. I'm just going to call this page blog and welcome. Publish the page. I'm not actually going to put it in anything else. Now when I go to pages, I see that I've got this blog page. Now I can go over to settings. I can go under discussion or under reading. And now I can update where my static page is. So if I want my first page to be sample page, and if I want my posts to go to blog, I can see where I do this update here. And now when I go refresh the page, my first page now is going to be the sample page. So this could be like an entry page, on a page where you come in and a user can access it, read about your website. So it doesn't necessarily need to be all of the blog posts. And that's what I really want to show in regards to what we're doing here within WordPress. But if you do want to see your blogs, I believe it was blog 2, we can go here and we see that now we've actually moved this page over to blog 2. So this is what our initial posts looked like, but we were able to move it over. And this is ideal for those types of websites that don't want all of those posts coming on the first page, and they want to have the ability to customize that first page and want to have a separate page for all the different posts coming in. Now there's various ways to customize this and update this, and you can do that as needed. And again, when you do something like this, that's when you get into more customizing of your theme, customizing your menus, and what your theme is actually going to look like. So if you go into appearance, which we're going to talk more about in the upcoming lesson, we see that we do have the ability to create a brand new menu, and from here we can customize and create that brand new menu and then have our custom WordPress set up to go to blog or whatever pages that we've set, and really begin to make our WordPress site our own.